Every 3 minutes, one American is diagnosed as a diabetic. There are 96 million adults in America who are pre-diabetic today. 10% of these will go on to become diabetics within the next year, and maybe 70 to 80% of them will become diabetic in the course of their lifetime. The problem with diabetes is it affects the very quality of your life because it affects your very energy levels. You literally can't digest anything. It takes too long to digest, fasting, so many other management techniques needed to manage diabetes. The best and the most appropriate time to deal with this is when you are a pre-diabetic. And when you are a pre-diabetic, imagine 96 million people today, you could reverse it, you could balance it, come back to a normal metabolism and live a healthy, happy life. But you need to balance your life from now on. But you need to know it very thoroughly because it's all about diet, lifestyle, exercise, stress. All these aspects of life need to be managed well, and one needs to understand them in thorough detail, because to do something you need to be inspired and you need to know why you are doing it. And that's what we are here to offer. It's a systematic, balanced study of pre-diabetes. My name is Yogi Nataraj and I am a PhD student at the Maharishi International University, and I am pursuing my PhD, which I've been working for from the last 5 years, and my research has been into diabetes and pre-diabetes. I've worked with a lot of clients. My wife, who is also a qualified consultant in Ayurveda, together we have worked with a lot of clients with pre-diabetes and diabetes, and we devised a program which is approved by our committee and all the safety protocols undertaken by the IRB committee as well. And reviewing every aspect, we have designed a beautiful 3-month study which we would like to offer. We are at this stage of our study where we will be offering a 3-month clinical trial to reverse pre-diabetes. So the study is named Ayurvedic Management of Pre-Diabetes. Now, if you are a pre-diabetic, if your HbA1c is between 5.7 and 6.4 and you are between the ages of 30 and 60, you qualify for this study, provided you are not hospitalized, or you are pregnant, or you are breastfeeding. So these are some of the things which will prevent you from doing this study systematically. So we want people who are diagnosed but not on any medication yet. So if you are a pre-diabetic, not on any medication yet, and you would like to reverse this with the diet and lifestyle, and would like to know both the modern perspective and the other different traditional dietary Eastern perspectives, including Ayurveda, so this is your chance to study and undergo an experience and learn how to manage it for the rest of your life. So we would like to recruit about 60 people, candidates in this study, both men and women. And in this study, we will be dividing you into 2 groups randomly. So the one group will undergo the entire Ayurvedic process, to whom we will supply an Ayurvedic kit. But that kit depends on your Ayurvedic diagnosis. So both groups will undergo the Ayurvedic diagnosis and the modern diagnosis. So in the Ayurvedic diagnosis, we see your toxin levels, we see your metabolic profile, we see even your lifestyle, your health habits, your mindset, your stress levels. And then we analyze them and what best we can provide you, analyzing them systematically, what will help you best in overcoming an imbalance, because imbalance occurs not just in the body but also in the mind. The body is an extension of the mind according to Ayurveda. So we will give you a perspective where you will understand what is the root cause of your imbalance and that which is causing this pre-diabetes. And we will systematically take you through a detox process and then a balanced diet post-detox and how to maintain that. So this study will have every weekend culinary classes, cooking classes. We will also have yoga classes, And we will also study systematically how modern research papers and also Ayurvedic traditional research texts, what do they say? And then you can do a self-study, you can do self-analysis. And at the end of 3 months, we will also undergo the same questionnaires again, and we will give you a feedback on your metabolic profile and how you can manage it for the rest of your life. Now, interestingly, the second group will have the modern perspective, that is the NDPP. So NDPP is the National Diabetic Prevention Program. That is the best modern program available right now. And in this program, you will learn how to manage your weight, how to balance. So you will undergo another kind of study from the modern window, which will help you manage your health, your weight, and it is very well designed. So that is why currently it is one of the best programs today. So both the groups will get something amazing. And at the end of 3 months, we will compare both the groups, how you will advance and what you have learned. We will analyze, assess with individual meetings. And then at the end of the 3 months, we will change the perspective. So those who have undergone the Ayurvedic perspective, you will get an opportunity to study the NDPP. All this is completely, a lifetime experience. And those who have undergone the NDPP experience, the modern systematic study of diabetes and how you can manage it, we will offer you the Ayurvedic perspective, and you will undergo the same that the intervention group went through this time. Please be a part of our study, because we will get to learn, compare these two perspectives and offer something substantial to the humanity at large. Because today, imagine half of America is pre-diabetic. Can you imagine this predicament? If everyone learns how to manage it, if this study becomes commonplace, if everybody is able to benefit from your perspective, from your participation in this study, imagine how many millions of people will be benefited. And then you will get to learn over a 6-month period. The second half is voluntary. In the first half, you have to go through whichever group you are assigned to. But if you participate, it will benefit you and it will benefit us in getting more data as well. So it is our request from both me and my wife, Sundari Dasi. She's been working very hard with a lot of clients, going into every detail of their diet, what to cook, what not to cook, and to adjust, manage based on their individual balances and imbalances. Because in this study, individual imbalances are one that we will study very deeply. Although the disease is common, but everybody has some individual imbalances that needs to be taken care of, and that's where one-on-one consultation, one-on-one discussion, one-on-one solution making, because it's not just the diet, it's your lifestyle, it's the way you think, it's the way you do things, everything counts. And we will try our best to give you solution to every aspect of this. So same with the NDPP group, you will study every modern paper that is there and how you can manage your weight and balance it out. And then after the 3 months, you will get to study the Ayurvedic perspective as well. So this is such an important and amazing study that it will open the horizons to bring in the best of modern as well as Eastern Ayurvedic perspective. Modern science has progressed so good, but in the field of chronic diseases, in the chronic management, diet, lifestyle plays an important role, and that's where Ayurveda has to offer such an amazing offering. And we want to give you the best of both in this study. So if you are between the age of 30 and 60, you are a diagnosed pre-diabetic, please go to www.yoginataraj.com, and then you can, in the homepage, there is a sign up link, click on that, read through, and then sign up on the form there. You can also text us on 702-956-3123 or register on the website. So thank you all so much, and we'll look forward to all your participation. Thank you.